We have a whole bunch of new Milwaukee tool deals. We got combo kit deals. We got bare tool deals. We got deals for contractors. We got deals for metal workers, electricians, plumbers, even technicians in the automotive sector. But here's the deal. This is a flash sale. So if promotional items sell out, it's over. If the flash has flashed, it's over. But if you've missed the awesome savings, don't get mad. Get subscribed and enable all notifications because the notification squad eats first. You should never pay full price for tools ever again. Link is in the description to follow along and grab these deals. Hello everyone, my name is Vince, and it sure is nice to see you. If you're super early, like the first person to comment on this video, make sure to say first, and you will be nominated for a prestigious award and title. Now, on to the deals. They're gonna go quick, so make sure you open your eyeballs and ear holes because you don't wanna miss these. First up, when you spend $450 or more on Shockwave drilling or driving impact duty bits, you'll get the M18 Fuel impact driver added to your cart for free. If you're a contractor and you're going to spend money on Shockwave bits anyway, isn't it nice to get one of the best impact drivers added to the equation for free? I sure think that it is. M equals MC squared, and the M stands for Milwaukee. Here's one for the automotive techs. Spend $650 on Milwaukee impact sockets, and Milwaukee Tool is going to throw in their M18 high torque impact wrench with friction ring for free. For anyone that drills a whole bunch of large diameter holes, when you spend $450 on Milwaukee Carbide, Diamond Max, Big Hog, or Bi-Metal hole saws, they'll throw in their compact and powerful M18 fuel drill for free. Spend $650 or more on Milwaukee recip saw blades, and they're going to throw in a free M18 fuel sawzall. And here's the deal. If you buy any of these consumables in quantity throughout the year, it just makes sense to buy them in a big lot right now and get the free tool. This is a great deal. And if you like great tool deals or just finding out what these tools cost and having a point of reference, then please consider hitting the like button. It doesn't cost you a dime, and it lets YouTube know you appreciate the content, and it lets me know that you want more tool deals. I'd really appreciate it. Now, back to the deals. Here's one for the metal workers. When you buy one of these select M18 tools, and you have your choice of 4 different grinders, a metal cutting circ saw, or the fuel die grinder, and these prices are already marked down on these tools, and then Milwaukee will sweeten the pot and throw in your choice of an XC 5.0 battery or the M18 fuel drill driver. Next up, buy the fuel sawzall, D-handle jigsaw, fuel oscillating multi-tool, or super sawzall. And once again, these tools are already marked down, but Milwaukee will still throw in a free XC 5.0 battery. When you buy the M18 half-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring, Milwaukee will throw in their oil-resistant XC 5.0 battery. Or you can buy that impact wrench in a kit with 2 batteries, a charger, in a hard case for like $349 right now. We got a bare tool deal on rotary hammers. Buy either their compact 1-inch hammer or the 1.25-inch D handle, and Milwaukee will throw in your choice of either a free high output XC 6.0 battery or the side lock or paddle switch grinder. Once again, tools themselves are already marked down, so if you've been waiting to buy either of these hammers, now would be a good time. You'll have a choice of these 3 fuel grinders, die grinder, deep cut, or compact bandsaw, and Milwaukee will throw in your choice of either their high output XC 6.0 or one of these grinders for free. It's another great deal. We got a hodgepodge category that includes hole hogs, polishers, a circular saw, the M18 hatchet, and the compact compressor. Buy any one of these tools and Milwaukee will once again throw in the high output XC 6.0 battery. And finally, we have a 5-tool fuel combo and a 7-tool fuel combo. Say that 10 times real fast. That include some of the most powerful, newest, feature-rich, and powerful Milwaukee tools. I said powerful twice because their choice is powerful. And on top of that, they're throwing in a high-output XC 8.0 battery to sweeten the deal. Let me know down in the comment section below which one of these exciting, amazing, newest, and flash sale tool deals from Milwaukee was your favorite. Also, we want to know what tools from what manufacturer do you want to see in the next tool deal video. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here checking out these deals. I hope you scored what you needed. Hope to see you all on the next one. If you want to see maybe why you should be buying Milwaukee tools, check out this next video. It talks about some of their newest tools. You're going to love it. Hello, check 1 2. Check 1 2. Hello there, everyone. My name is Vince, and it sure is nice to see you. If you're super early, like for anyone that drills, here's the deal. If you buy any of these, and then Milwaukee will sweeten the pot and throw in I wrote this terrible. You'll have a choice of these fuel. I said powerful twice because their choice is powerful than anything else out there.
Bruh.
And on top of that,